Our second product in your makeup arsenal is our brand new Fortifying Plus. This is the new Plus cream that you're going to absolutely love. The new ingredients in this are going to give you firmer, tighter skin. You can also use it as a moisturizer on your skin. I want to let you know the ingredients that are in this product, and you're going to get 30% off of Fortifying, because Fortifying, our previous one, was amazing, and we just wanted to update it with newer ingredients. So listen to what we added into there. We put vitamin Q10, and that's a dynamic antioxidant that really energizes the skin cells. It also removes toxins of your skin, and it boosts your collagen level of your skin. Organic Gotu Kola. It also helps the elasticity of your skin, fortifying your skin's natural resilience of your skin. You want that skin to bounce back is what you want it to do. And advanced humectic blends. And those are over 20 with omega-6, vitamin B5, C, E. All this is in this powerhouse product right here. And this really helps to give you the effective results that you want. And it will be 30% off also with the code 30OFF-AGING. So that's going to go into your skincare arsenal too. So there you go on Fortifying.